Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. For those who are returning, thank you so much for coming back to another vlog. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't skip the ads if you're in a region that plays my ads. And then yeah, please like this video if you actually did enjoy watching it, or in the middle if you are actually enjoying it. Today's a Sunday. My husband and I are actually going to church. It'll be my first time going to church here, so I'm actually excited. I'm excited about it. I'm wearing this two-piece that I got from Legit. Actually put something underneath which keeps peeping out, and I don't like that, but it's quite cold. I actually have a coat with me. I'm not gonna wear it as yet because my husband thinks I'm just being dramatic. It's not that cold, but it's like 14 degrees and it's windy, so it's cold. But yeah, I'll carry it. If they have aircons on inside the church, at least I'll have something to put on. If not, maybe I'll be okay. I don't know. Also packed my sambas. I'm wearing like kitten heels that I also got from Legit. But I'm gonna carry my sambas in case we do something after church. We're not too sure yet, because I feel like it's cold. It's too cold to be outside, but it's not gonna change anytime soon. So yeah, let's go enjoy church. Church starts at 10. It's actually 10 to 10, but it's literally like, I don't know, it's not far from where we stay. The only issue we have is we don't know where we're gonna park, because we're new to driving. So let's go. How was church? Yeah. I was gonna say that I like somebody who's very gentle in his teaching, and really teaching, giving you the background and just everything. Yeah, it was nice, very nice actually. Yeah.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit. Then take a minute to solve your own problems instead of other people's. Zing! In 200 meters, keep right, because Venus has been acting really weird lately. And then, exit left.
How cute is Shima? Oh my god, haven't talked to you guys in a minute. We are in Newport. Oh my god. We are in Newport, Dunlim to be specific. We went to a couple of shops. We're actually looking for like pots, just trying to secure stuff that we're gonna need in our new house. So for context, the house that my husband lives in now came like fully finished. So there was a bed, there was a TV and couches and, you know, a dining table and all that. Yeah, we only got plates from Poundland, but it's not like a plate set. So yeah, today from Dunlem we managed to secure a plate set. It's like plate, pasta bowls and side plates. And then we got, I'm not too sure if I want like white mugs to match the plates. Maybe I'll think about it, but yeah, maybe for, you know, just to make it like a complete set. But we usually use the clear cups that you guys have seen in my vlogs, but I think the white ones, yeah, we'll just get the white ones. And then we got knives, we got pot set. I'm a bit nervous about those ones, but they were on like 50% sale, which is good, because right now we're trying to make ends meet. Like literally we're just trying to get stuff that we really need. So yeah, we got the pots. I might try use them before we actually move, just to be sure. Yeah, but that they look nice. We're just gonna need a pen on top of that. I'm hoping to get a pen of that like the same range, just to make it a complete set. So it's 3 saucepans and a casserole pot. I hope that's what you call it, which I've been wanting. Not that that's of hell. My ultimate pot goals are the white smeg pots. I am in love with those pots, but obviously right now, where's the money? So yeah, we're gonna leave. I don't know where we're gonna go to next, but we actually don't have network connection right now, so we can't even GPS to anywhere, because we're like in the middle of Newport where we've never been before. So yeah, the fact that we've got pots, I'm happy. That was my goal for the day. We also got a couple of stuff for the house, like miscellaneous stuff. I'll show you guys when we get to the house. I just thought, let me check in. Got green Italian pizza with a side of fries and a drink, just a small Coke. We're back home. We have a little bit of itis. My baby and I are just gonna take a nap or chill. Later on, we're gonna have a cake that we got from M&S. It's like a strawberry and vanilla sponge cake. Can't wait to try it. So yeah, actually enjoyed my day. I used the La Roche-Posay it's like a moisturizer. I think moisturizer. I feel like it makes my face so oily after like a couple of hours. When I first apply it, I look like a ghost. It looks so wet on my skin. Imagine how much worse it looks on my husband. I don't know if it's made for like way lighter women or men, but yeah, I don't think it's for us, honestly. But it does blend in after a couple of minutes.
Compared to me, the joke is on you.
No,
Nah, honestly.
maybe
You
look
had
like
white patches
baby, you look like a ghost.
like now.
I mean, now it's better.
The joke is on you.
Babe, I'm telling you. My husband's friend is gonna come like next month. I need him to ask his friend to bring me the serum that I use because I cannot find it here. I've tried the Superdrug, Boots, everywhere. I can't find it. So yeah, I really need it because La Roche-Posay is not gonna cut it, especially ones that we buy here. Honestly, I don't think it's made for our skin tone or complexion. You're making fun of me, but you makes you look like a ghost, my baby.
You.
Baby. Baby.
The joke is on you.
I wish I could show you your face in this vlog. Hey guys. Guess whose hair is done? Oh my god, I finally did my hair. I'm so happy about that. Just did cornrows with no extension. I did say that a friend of my husband is coming in, just coming very soon. So I did ask that he brings me 2 wigs from home. So yeah, I did cornrows so that when the wigs come, I can literally just pop them on my head as and when I need to, instead of doing like braids and then I'm gonna have to undo braids. It's just not gonna make sense. Okay, I don't want to stop stressing about hair so much. So yeah, yesterday I got my husband and I bought a strawberry Victoria sponge. I think it's a cake from M&S. It was actually reduced from £4.50 to £2.30, and I thought, it looks cute, let me go try it. I actually had a slice yesterday, what I wanted to show you guys today. It reminds me so much of the Woolies vanilla cake. It's a vanilla caramel. The Woolies caramel cake, yeah, except this one has strawberry instead of the caramel, but they taste so much like literally this cake is what's gonna heal me whenever I'm craving the Woolies cake. I think I'll just have this one and I'll feel so much better. Let me show you guys. I also got the pineapple and grapefruit Fanta, which I actually want to try with you guys right now. It's actually like 3-4 p.m. so I need to start cooking dinner in like 2 hours or so. My husband is gonna knock off early today, so yeah, I want to get dinner started so that it can be ready by the time he gets home. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna cook though. I took out some drumsticks to just let to defrost. I don't know why I don't like using the microwave to defrost the meat. I prefer removing meat from the freezer like in the morning. My forehead is out there. Forehead! Oh my god, it is so shiny. My husband actually had it last night, but I didn't get to taste it because I had already had Coke and I wanted to try with you guys. At least it's fizzy. That's a plus. Let me pour a lot. What if I don't like it? Cling cling. You know what? I'm not mad at it. I was expecting it to be so much better because of the grapefruit, but it's honestly not bad. It's not bad as I expected it to be. I can't taste the pineapple. I can't taste the pineapple in it though. I can smell the grapefruit. It's not bad. I mean, it still tastes like a diluted drink that we have back home, but I can't put my finger on it. Yeah, it tastes very familiar with a dash of grapefruit. but it's not bad. It's not bad, but it does have an aftertaste. I don't know how to describe it in English, but yeah. Yeah, but I'm gonna have it. Let me pour myself more actually. I'm gonna have this after my cake. It's not bad. I honestly prefer this Fanta over the passion fruit one. Yeah, that one is worse. Because it's not fizzy at all.
What a cute rainbow.
I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible.
See how I wash the dishes as I'm cooking? Very mindful, very demure.
No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
Whoop.
Baby, why you love me? Baby, why you love me? Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I think you love me. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have so far? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. But before we get to anything, I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that we got the other time from Dunlem. I know I never got to show you guys, but I'm not gonna open everything because I just realized the dinner set that we got is actually it's closed up in individual boxes inside here. Okay, not individual, but like 3 boxes. Oh, I hope you guys can see. It's quite heavy. It's a very heavy box actually. It's a 12-piece set of these stackable plates. I've been wanting these for a very long time, especially because they have these large bowls that I could literally use as like pasta bowls. I love them for that. When I saw these, I'm like, oh my god, these are so good for pasta, but I didn't know they come in a set because I just saw the one plate first. I thought they were sold individually, but then my husband saw the set and he was like, girl, they have them. I'm like, wow. So we got them in the color white. I will put a video of a video that I took in the shop so you guys could just have an idea. It's the set that I said did not have cups, so I'm still contemplating if I want to get cups, matching cups. They did have something like 2 different types of cups that would go well with this set. So yeah, that's the first thing we got. We actually got more cups. These look very similar to the ones that I have, the ones that I had back home that I got from ShopRite. Yeah, the ones that look like a can. I like these. We got 4 of these. They're £1.25 each. I'm still gonna get more glasses though, because you can never have enough. I need like champagne glasses. Oh no, I have champagne glasses. I need wine glasses. I'm not really a wine girl, but sometimes I just want to have dinner with my husband at the dining table with like lit candles, the whole shebang there. So yeah. We got this pot, a green pen pot. They actually had like a bank holiday sale. I actually went on their website to check if they had like more stuff, because it's actually helpful. Imagine getting stuff for like 50% off. So this is the one I just showed you guys. Let me change something. That's what it looks like. I'm not gonna rip out everything, but yeah, I really do like it. I like the lid as well. I saw it in the shop in case you're wondering. And then we got a 3 saucepans. Yeah, different sizes. Okay, one's 16 centimeters, 18 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. So that is great. I do think we need to get a pen to complete the set. I did see a frying pan. It's quite pricey though, because we're not gonna get it on sale. It was not available on the bank holiday sale, but I think I did see one for like 40 something pounds online, so we might order that in the same range. I don't know if I'm gonna need a lid with that. They do have a universal lid sold separately. I hate it when shops do that. So this is one of the saucepans actually. That is the inside. This is what it looks like. They all have the lids. I like it. I like it so much. I actually saw that they have white in this range, but you know what, I'm gonna save the white for my smack pots whenever I get to buy them. There we go. So this is her. This is the girl. I really like her. Such a cutie. Nice. On the Shein buy one get four free, I actually ordered a black silicone kitchen set. Yeah, I ordered it in black. I had it in charcoal back home, so I thought let me switch it up, and I actually had more things coming with this set, so I'm going to see how everything is gonna look. And then we got some hangers. These are actually from Poundland. Yeah, I think I want to go with this vibe for our wardrobe or whatever it is, wherever we're gonna put our clothes. Let me tell you something about this place now. Most houses in the UK don't have wardrobes. You have to buy a wardrobe like we did back in the 1990s. There are no fitted wardrobes in these houses. Some houses come with like a little bit of finisher, and you know what a finisher that is? Like the wardrobes that they use, these brown, very old wardrobes that are fitted. Yes. I'll try and take a video of the wardrobe that we actually have here to give you guys an idea. I don't like that. That thing stresses me so much. And the kitchens here, this is a very nice kitchen actually in this house. Extremely nice compared to everything I'm seeing online in these houses I was searching. People have these brown kitchens. Some don't even have kitchens at all. Like just a sink and one cabinet. Guys. And I'm here thinking, you know, UK, you're gonna find these modern kitchens with an island and this and that, integrated stove, whatever. No, sweetie. No. It's very hard to find that here. And I was actually looking to, you know, moving into a nicer place with a very nice kitchen, you know, aesthetically pleasing, so I can use my pots and actually be motivated. You know, I could light a candle and have dinner with my husband, but in that type of a setting, it's gonna be quite depressing. Pray for me, child. I really hope we find a nice house because it'll be very nice to get like space and just put my hangers and just hang everything, color coordinate, you know, have the space looking very nice, open my pots and actually use them, potentially buy a mega kettle and put on the kitchen counter, use my coffee machine in a very nice kitchen, shoot for day in the life, you know, for my TikTok or YouTube. Okay, enough about venting. I got these two for my bedroom. I really hope we find a nice house, guys. Wait again, I'm hoping to go for like a nude white cream earthy look for our bedroom. So I got these two pillowcases because I got the white bedding. So yeah, these are just standard pillowcases. Are you done? Oh, okay. Yes. I'm almost done. So the other day at church, we actually got coffee and biscuits after the service, and one of the biscuits were these ones. My husband and I love them so much. We actually looked for them in the shops. We found them at Poundland. So we're not really sure. We're relying on the picture, but they taste exactly the same as the ones we had at church, and we are so obsessed. So yeah, we got these. They're almost done. I think we will be buying these a lot more. They're very nice. Very, very nice. Some of the things are not really important, but we got a pair of pigs wool in case I need to do my hair, and then just some cleaning gloves because there's gonna be a lot of cleaning going on. We got other stuff like domestos, toilet cleaner, bathroom cleaner, but I'm not gonna show that, honestly. I just wanted to show you guys like the house stuff, the big house things. Thank the Lord. Anyway, let me pack up everything. My husband and I actually gotta leave. I saw an appliance shop in the town where we live, so I want to check it out. I think they may have like very nice kettles. Yeah, so we'll see. Try to compare prices with online as well. And then yeah, so Ari, let's go.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I get your vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from a mile ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want to, she want to be ready. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. But when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the motherfuckers, they really want to play me. But when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
It's very nice. The cheese, the potato, the tikka. It's still very hot, extremely hot. Nice. It's raining.
You chose to stay. giving it away. No, I didn't mean to.
It's raining. We didn't get anything in terms of
left on Byfield Lane car park.
right. We didn't get anything in regards to appliances.
Turn left on Byfield Lane car park. Then turn left on Tudor Street.
Okay. Because my heart is honestly
Turn left on Tudor Street.
between
Then
girl.
turn right on Baker Street.
Left. Water right. Immediately. My heart is leaning more towards a smeg kettle. So yeah, I don't want to make any like quick decisions. So I'm still trying to compare prices, and yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get one.
Tesco.
Or pick the daughter. So I'm quickly gonna dash into Tesco to get 1 or 2 things, and then we're gonna go home. I did get pajamas and a cheese board set, but I'll show you guys when you get to the house.
I got the cheese board set.
My husband got
pajamas.
yeah. As if you're gonna use it. Okay?
Yeah, but just cheese.
Okay, let's go.
The Leicester red cheese.
Which one is that one, baby?
You don't know the Leicester
I actually
red
don't.
cheese?
I have packages.
You get hurt it all.
We're back home. This is the cheese board set that I said my husband got. It was initially retailing for £25, but we got it for £7 in a charity shop, which is great. So yeah, I got myself these PJs. I've been eyeing them in at least 3 different colors on Shein, but I found them at the charity shop. So they're in this blue color. Not something I would usually go for, but you know what, I like them. So yeah, it's the long pants and the long shirt. Yeah, it has buttons all the way down, same design or pattern on the hands. So yeah, I'm gonna wash these. I'll wear them. So I don't know how much they were initially retailing for, but they are brand new. The brand is Lavendary, something like that. Yeah, they're in a size large, I think size 12. Yeah, size 12. So they'll be nice and baggy, not too tight. Got them for £5, which is great. Shein charges, I think, about double for the same PJs. I'm not too sure about the quality difference though, because I don't have the ones from Shein. So yeah, actually my Shein package arrived. I received 2 packages from Shein. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, let me show you the stuff that I actually received from Shein. First we have these kitchen utensils. I was just telling you about these this morning. I like it. It's black. It's written whatever, kitchen and dining, but I'm gonna place it that way because I don't like. So yeah, it's literally the same as the one I had back home, except this one has like a spoon rest. Oops. This one has a silicone spoon rest, and then I think this is like a strainer or squeezer, something like that. Oh my god, I actually thought I picked one that had sorry, let me open for someone. I thought I ordered the set that has like a measuring spoons, like a teaspoon. I think there was one that had like half a cup or quarter cup, but it's not a chain smash, honestly. It's fine. The next thing I got was these pens. I don't know if that's gonna be as long as I wanted them to be, honestly. The quality is great, but I'm not too sure about the length. I'm so stressed. I had high expectations for these pants, okay? I'm a tall girl, so I obviously ordered like a size up because I wanted them. Oh, they're not bad. That's fine. Anyway, the pants do fit. I just wish they were a little bit longer. Guys, this blazer, hey, if I put a picture on the side, for you guys, this blazer is literally not what Shein said it was. It's not. This is giving very much a light cardigan, you know? A light cardigan, a light throw over than it's giving a blazer. The material is honestly not what I expected it to be. It's not what was advertised. What they advertised was a very firm, like a very high quality blazer that made me think of like Zara blazers, but this is not it. Honestly, I'm disappointed in this blazer. If I actually paid money for this, I was gonna return it. But you know what? If you're standing far, you wouldn't tell. I mean, depending on what I'm wearing. I think the camera is overselling this blazer, to be quite honest with you guys. I'm gonna wear it though. I'm gonna wear it, but I really wish it was better quality. Moving on, I also ordered this 2-piece set in a nude color. The pants are very see-through actually. Very, very, very see-through. But I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna wear them because the top actually covers my butt, so it's not a chain snatch. It's okay. Yeah, always wanted this 2-piece. I like 2-piece sets because there's literally like so many ways to style them or wear them. I can wear the shirt alone or the pants alone. Okay, now that they're see-through, I don't think I can wear them with anything that doesn't cover at least my butt area. But I like it, honestly. I'd wear this on like vacation. And then the last item I got is this cardigan, which I absolutely love. When I tell you about the quality, the quality of this cardigan is literally more than what I expected it to be. Like I said in my previous vlog, I just picked like random stuff. Number one, I didn't think it was gonna work, if I'm being completely honest. This cardigan fits me. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna abuse this cardigan. It's a striped cardigan. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Also ordered a magnet. Where did I put the magnet in? This is like a chain, like a leg chain, ankle chain. I was just trying to put stuff in my cart. And then lastly, I have the amount holder, which is supposed to be magnetic. I actually took 2 of these for the car, but my husband just tried putting the other one on his phone, and the phone is literally sliding down. This is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, I'm waiting for one more package. I actually put some stuff in for my husband. I think there's 2 things for the house in that order that's gonna come. So when it does come, I'll show you guys. Actually, I completely forgot about this jersey. This is what the jacket looks like. It does fit, but it's a bit tight on my hands. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing like a wool dress underneath or what, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Anyways, oh, my husband says the magnet actually works. He forgot to remove the plastic when trying it out the first time. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to close off the vlog right here, but I just remembered I never told you guys what I had at the mall. I mean, you guys could read, but I had a jacket potato for the very first time. Jacket potato is like it's like comfort food for like sorry, it's like comfort food for UK people, I understand. So you have a choice of fillings to put on. So it's just a potato, a baked potato, like whole potato, and then you just pick what you want, like butter, salt and pepper, tikka chicken, beans. A lot of people like it with beans and cheese, but I don't know how I feel about baked beans on a potato. So we went with the option of tikka chicken, which was very delicious, guys. It was so good. Watching it on TikTok, like people raving about it, I wasn't really sure how I feel about it, but honestly I did enjoy it. It's like great, very affordable comfort food, like especially when it's raining. You're gonna eat the potato, baby. You're gonna, as I say, you're gonna eat the potato and drink water and sleep the whole day, literally. Yeah, I really enjoyed church as well. I figured when editing that I actually didn't give you guys like a proper, I don't know, just how I felt about church, because we were on the road with my husband. But yeah, I really did enjoy church, to be very honest with you. I really like how the pastor preached that day. It was very, I don't know if I should use the word educational, but I left the church understanding, you know, the backstory and exactly what the pastor is preaching about, and just feeling motivated about life, you know. Obviously we all have stuff that we're battling with from time to time in life, especially as you grow older. But yeah, I think it's a great community. We are gonna keep going back there with my husband. He has been attending when I wasn't here, so it was just my first time going there. So yeah, I think it's a great community. The whole church was literally welcoming, like the entire church was so welcoming. So yeah, I really like that. I really like that. Hopefully it won't be raining this coming Sunday. My husband is gonna be at work, so that I can actually walk there if I leave the house like early enough. So yeah, bye you guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Thank you so much for supporting me once again. I promise I'm gonna see you guys next week. I've actually already started a new vlog. So yeah, bye.